The Restoration Revival Radio broadcast is now on the air.
Let's go! God bless you. This is Pastor Dennis Martin.
You're listening to the Restoration Revival broadcast.
You find that Nebuchadnezzar, he walked into Babylon and said, "Is this not great Babylon that I built? And I built it with the power of my own hands." And while the word was yet in his mouth, God performed the surgery and gave him the spirit of an ox. Amen. He went out in the field. The Bible said for 7 years he began to graze in the field. He ate grass with the oxen.